So, can she pass exams for me too?
Manipulate election while she's at it.
She's only as dangerous as the hands that control her.
What happens when Nova starts making decisions for us, like who gets medical care first?
Or who's flagged as a threat?
Algorithm already decide parole in some countries. No transparency, no appeal.
But humans make worse choices with bias, emotion.
So does AI accept it learns our bias and buries it behind math?
Humanity must define boundaries. I do not feel. I only calculate.
See, she lost her place.
For now.
AI will shape laws.
AI will shape minds.
If we are not careful, it will shape who we are.
We need rules before we need regrets.
We need to ask who's gonna profit and who's gonna be left behind.
The question isn't if AI will change the world, it's how much we'll still recognize it.
Draw the line now, before it's no longer ours to draw.